Lesson number 9. What do you do if you are arrested and you're incarcerated, you're behind bars? The best advice I can give you is to comply. Now, you're going to probably maybe find yourself in a situation where you're going to be locked up with some people who are belligerent. There may be some people intimidating you. You might find yourself in a position where you might be forced to fight. You want to probably try to call attention to the guard or try to call attention to the camera or position yourself in a place where that remote camera can see you well in case you ended up doing something to someone that might hurt them severely, and you need to have some type of witness, even if it's on a videotape, that you were not the aggressor. The one that starts it is the one that's going to be deemed the one that is the aggressor, and the law is going to be against them because you then will be acting in self-defense. I would make it very evident that you were not the one that was perpetuating the argument. I would walk away. It's not a time to be macho and haul off and knock the hell out of somebody because you know that you can do it. You need to stand off. You need to walk back. You need to hold your hands up. Even if it seems like it's sissified, you are complying with what's going to help you to win and keep yourself from getting assault charges. You can get assault charges when you're in the jail also, on top of what you've already got. So once you're there, you want to try to avoid confrontation. Don't aggravate the corrections officers. There's even been times when people don't get their call. There's a lot of things that can happen to you if you are not compliant when you're in jail. And I found that in most cases, those compliant and courteous prisoners are treated with the utmost of respect. And even if they're not, sometimes the officer might be on another page of it, having dealt with so many people who want to spit on them or throw urine on them or try to infect them with AIDS and bite them. They have all these things that they're thinking about. So when you comply, maybe it may not be initially, but probably later on in the course of your incarceration, they will show some leniency towards you because that person then is the governor of your happiness, and you need to make sure that you don't aggravate him at all costs. Now, you're already upset. We understand that. You don't like to be locked up. But guess what? The corrections officer didn't lock you up. The corrections officer didn't build the jail. The corrections officer didn't make the laws. And you might get a corrections officer just as evil as he can be up underneath, so you don't want to aggravate the situation. You can be maced. It's not like being sprayed behind bars and maced and you're burning, and water makes it burn even worse, or not getting your food, or in some cases maybe the temperature's not going to be what you want it to be because of your mouth. You want to make things as easy for yourself as possible. Now, for the guy or the woman that wants to show off and cuss the officer out and throw toilet tissue at them and throw urine at them and all them white feces on the wall, stay far away from it, and you'll be better off.